In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Hubspot password. Whether you've forgotten it or simply want to update it for security reasons, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. So let's get started. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. You'll need to navigate to the Hubspot homepage, which is your first stop on this journey. Simply type www.hubspot.com into your browser's address bar and hit enter. Once the page loads, you'll find yourself on the Hubspot homepage. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen and you'll notice the Login option. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the Hubspot login page where you typically enter your credentials to access your account. Once the login page is displayed, instead of entering your login details, look for the Forgot My Password option. This is usually found near the password entry field. Click on this, as this is what starts the password resetting process. By doing so, you'll be prompted to enter your registered email address associated with your Hubspot account. It's essential to make sure you type it accurately to receive the reset instructions. After entering your email, check your inbox for an email from Hubspot. The email should appear within a few minutes, but do check your spam or junk folder if it doesn't show up. Once you have the email, open it and click on the link provided to begin the password reset process. This link will direct you to a form on the Hubspot site where you'll be able to create a new password. When creating your new password, it's crucial to ensure that it's strong and secure to protect your account. A good password typically includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Once you have chosen your new password, enter it into the provided fields. After confirming your new password, go ahead and submit it. You should receive a confirmation notification indicating that your password has been successfully updated. Now that your password is reset, you can attempt to log in again from the Hubspot homepage using your newly created password. Enter your email and the new password to access your account. Congratulations! You've successfully reset your Hubspot password. Remember to keep your new password confidential and consider updating it regularly to maintain account security. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, stay safe and secure with your online accounts.